Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of our Naija podcast. My name is Gloria Zegar. I remain your favorite girl on the screen. And with me in the studio today, I have...
Number one.
Who'll be number one?
King Charlton.
Charlton, please, I'm not in the mood.
Your favorite co-host.
Who told you are my favorite
Say that
co-host?
number one.
No, you're part of your favorite. I'm your favorite co-host.
Whatever.
Call your police.
We got Osas, big baby.
Biggest. Biggest.
Yeah, my
You know.
humble self and my humble
Really
self.
humble. Theodore.
Theodore.
Hey, Theodore Abuja.
Abuja.
One add the Abuja now.
I really
No,
Theodore.
Theodore.
I want to live my life in
Your
peace.
name.
Guys.
Your name deserves a
Guys.
round of applause.
I
You
Yes,
said
it
understand?
does. No, but it does.
Thank
it does.
you. Thank
Theodore
you. Thank you.
of
Do it now.
Abuja.
Welcome back to the studio, guys. So today would be okay. So first of all, I don't want to say anything because I want to throw it on the floor because I want, I always bring the ginger. I always bring good news to you
That's
guys.
so.
So today we're going to be discussing about dating a broke girl.
Can you tell, broke girl?
First of all, I want to know how you being broke or not being broke has anything to do with your relationship as a girl. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm throwing it to the floor. I'm throwing it on the floor. You guys hit me. What do you guys think? Do you think a girl should be broke and, entertain guys
wait.
or...
Let me state this first.
Yes, please.
Some girls are not actually broke.
Thank you.
They are just stingy.
Thank you. Exactly.
A girl will spend on a man that spent on her.
You're right.
A lot of girls are
You're
not
right.
broke.
You're right. You're right.
They're just stingy. Like, you're not worth them spending. You've not spent on them, so they won't spend on you.
But girls,
And not wait, let me say, don't be angry. Cultural wise, nature wise, a man is supposed to take care of a girl, not the other way around.
Yeah.
You
But you know,
understand?
also, do you know that there are girls that are really broke
Yeah, they're really broke, yes.
and they ask for things that they can
They
themselves
cannot afford.
I agree with that.
Why are you broke and you're asking for
That's
things
the
that you
baby
cannot
girl
afford?
life.
Oh my god.
which kind of baby girl?
Are you
That's the
serious?
baby
Nah,
girl
that's
life.
why we
That's
will
the
not
baby
do
girl
that.
life.
Because
No, you cannot afford.
Because the only thing a man can give to a girl is money.
Oh no.
wait
Osas,
first.
No.
A hand. That's where she's
Osas,
wrong.
No.
Money.
I feel
Okay, what can you
so
give to me
offended.
apart from
Osas,
money?
no.
Good deed,
You want
bro.
to give me your kidney?
Good
deed, bro.
I have good pussy too, now. Kilo dey buy.
Charlton.
Yo,
What
You
you
guys,
dey
you guys,
talk?
no, you guys have to
don't
stop.
do that now.
No,
I am broke,
Don't
though.
tell me what a guy has to
that's the
offer.
only thing that you can
Bruh.
offer in a relationship. Good
I'm gonna
dick.
offer a good deed, bro.
Osas said money.
You come back
So-
running.
Oh my god. Good dick is everywhere.
It's not.
No, it's not. Wait.
We have dildo. Forget that thing.
Why should they talk
We
about
have
that?
dildo.
Not
You
the-
you
wait
think
first.
your dick is
Not the
special?
good
We
deed.
have
Not be the
dildo.
good deal wey una dey collect. Now they even make most of una dey do heaven and earth for guy.
The funny one. Say
That's
some
madness.
girls.
That's
Say some
madness.
girls.
No, that's
Say some
the truth.
girls.
That's
Not all
madness.
girls.
No, that's some
Say
girls.
some
now.
girls.
That's some girls.
Most
But yes.
most girls are
So because of
nympho,
because
yes.
of your
Say that.
good dick.
Oh,
Say
so
some
it's
girls.
only nipples that do that?
Wait.
You think so?
So because
Yes,
of your
they
good
love
dick.
sex.
No, I'm talking to Theodore.
They love sex.
So because of your good dick, you will disrespect me. You will not take care of me.
Thank you.
You will not
No,
spend
no,
money
no.
on
Okay,
me.
so
you will not take
why
me on
would you
vacation. You will not
say-
shop for me.
Why
Because
why
you have good
why
dick.
would you
Thank
say
you.
no? Wait
That's
first.
your
Why
papa.
would
No,
That's a
no.
fuck boy vibe.
No,
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 you guys
no,
calm
fuck
down
boy
first.
I
vibe.
said yes. That's a
Why
fuck
would
boy
you
vibe.
say
boy
that?
vibe.
Wait first. Why would you
A
ask
man
me?
who's take care of a
Why-
woman.
no, why would you ask
Yes,
me
100%, 100%.
People
If you're going
say-
to come into my life and not make
No,
it
wait
easy,
first.
there's
Which
no
kind
point.
Make it easy.
If
So
No,
you
you-
dey
you
try tell
cannot-
me say because of my good day I go disrespect you. Wetin make you think say na my good day?
No, what we're talking
dey make
about
you
right
do
now,
anyhow?
no, what
No,
we're talking
yes,
about,
now.
no, we're not
I
talking
can't
about, no, wait,
Uh-uh.
you guys went to the good dick. I'm not talking about good dick. I'm talking about a broke
Broke
girl,
girl.
being in a relationship.
Yeah.
Well,
Uh-huh.
exactly, that's what I'm talking about. So that's what I want us to talk
Normal
about.
level. Normal level. Okay, no normal
But
level.
if
I mean, as a
Oh,
man, I
okay,
have
no,
money.
no, no,
no matter how I deny it.
You guys,
No matter that, they'll still get a broke girl.
how would you even know?
Spend the
How would
money.
you even know that she's broke?
See,
How would you know that
you know why?
Do you know
No,
why?
you got
Do you know why?
Yes, please.
broke girls.
Broke
girls.
They are sweet.
Not that they are sweet.
They are sweet.
They do the most in a relationship.
Really? Tell me.
Yes.
Tell me.
A broke
Because
girl does a
obviously
lot.
Charlton has an experience, or do you not?
I have broke girls.
Yes, dating
Of
a broke
course,
girl.
yes.
Okay.
You
How
would date
about
somebody
you?
now.
Of course, because
Come
how would
on.
you know? My own question is, how would you even know that a girl is broke? You won't even know.
I might.
No.
She might not be. She might not be broke.
Some girls are still
You know.
Osas, can I say something? As Osas supposedly said that most girls are not broke. They are either stingy. My own be say, you stingy or you no stingy. Eh? As a girl, there are certain things you are supposed to do for yourself.
Of course, we know that.
Because with or without a man, you are supposed to at least buy your deodorants.
Of course.
You are supposed to at least be able to make your hair. You're supposed to at least be able to buy your own clothes. You're supposed to be able to at least take yourself out for a date. You're supposed to have enough money to buy data and a charge card on your phone. Now, these are 5 signs of a broke girl.
And what you're saying?
Okay,
what
have you forgotten
Yes,
that
sir.
broke girls
Please,
have
please,
this?
please.
Do you forget that there are
What you
levels to
just
this
said
shit?
now? What you just said that means he has a broke man mentality.
Exactly. What
Because
is
a
data?
rich man
What
will
is
not
data?
complain about data, about
What is
hair,
making hair? What is clothes?
If you
What
are
is
rich,
that
a
shit?
rich man will
Exactly.
complain.
Exactly. Thank you.
A
Osas.
rich man will
That's
complain.
you. Osas,
You just call me a broke girl
I said
on air.
I said broke guy
On air
mentality.
to the
I said
world.
no.
You can't.
I said
No,
broke guy
Ah,
mentality.
wait,
I didn't say you are broke. I said a broke guy mentality.
Shouting.
Now I'm taking
I
it
said
personal.
broke. No.
I'm sitting upright.
I said broke guy
I'm taking
mentality.
this personal.
Don't put words in my
Excuse
mouth.
me.
What we
Excuse me.
said.
Excuse
What
me.
we
Excuse
said
me.
is.
I said broke guy mentality.
Excuse me.
I never said shouting
Excuse
you are
me.
broke.
Excuse me.
I heard you clearly.
Broke
No,
guy
see, see.
mentality.
I
No,
heard
let's
you
get
clearly.
no, wait. Okay, wait. As the other guy.
You can be rich and say
Yes,
broke
as the other
mentality.
guy in the house. Let me just try to.
The other guy in the house.
Yes.
I like
let
that
me
one.
let me try to explain better what
Okay.
I'm trying to say. As men that we are, it gets some kind little things where we no go. They expect woman to the ask man to do for her.
Like what?
Like what?
Please tell me.
These things where he lists, na still part of them.
That's
Una
a
fit
broke
no
guy
see am as
mentality.
anything.
What is
Oh
it?
my
What-
God.
what- wait,
Why
what
una-
is
Oh my
data?
God.
What is
Can I
data?
can I say
much-
hold on.
much-
Okay, wait first.
How
Wait
much to stop
first.
for
Okay,
yourself?
wait
How much to
first.
fix your nails?
Let's talk about one
Are
or
you-
two things. How
Is
much
there
to
something
fix
I'm
your
not
nails?
get? How much to fix your
Okay,
nails?
so are you
How
trying to
much is
say that?
data?
Are you trying to say that you will never or you have never asked for someone for the money to do these things?
No.
To do.
You.
Yes.
You.
100%.
I may have
Hold on.
never.
A
You,
100%.
Yes.
I have never.
You.
Yes.
Tell me.
100%.
Eh?
Can I support? Can I support your notion?
Support, please support.
As a fellow supporter of whatever you're talking
are you
about right now.
supporting now?
Hey,
What are you
hey, you are here.
Hello?
when you call me a broke
No.
girl.
No,
You're here when you say I had a broke boy
No.
mentality.
No.
Hold on. I have to make my point. Let me state it now. If you are a girl and you cannot, and I repeat, I don't care if you look at me as let me be the brokest guy in this country. If you cannot, and I'm categorically saying it out here.
If you cannot, what?
If you
Go
cannot
ahead.
as a girl
Yeah.
take care of your basic needs, you are fucking broke. Because
Wait,
that's-
But can I say-
wait, please. First of all, you know there are levels to this shit, right?
so there are levels to being a broke girl, yeah?
See, there are levels.
Is that
to
what you're
this
saying?
shit. Wait,
There are levels to being a broke girl.
wait.
No, now.
No.
They are
Make me
not
understand.
exactly-
Money for
You
wait.
want a girl
Money
to ask you
for-
for house and
True,
car?
yeah, exactly.
Yes.
No,
Will you buy?
Ask me for a house.
Will you buy?
No,
Ask me for a
no,
car.
but wait.
Will you
Osas,
buy?
Osas,
Will you buy?
If I don't buy, I'm not kill
wait.
myself. No.
Charlton, do you know that Osas is directly insulting you?
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to call me? What's your plan?
She doesn't want to, but she's inside. How smart of you.
Yeah, Osas.
Wow.
Osas
How
is
smart,
directly-
wonderful.
Wait, Osas is directly insulting you. She
Now.
said, would you buy a car or a house? So she's telling you that you cannot
Okay,
afford
would
it.
you buy a car?
No, she's
or
telling
a house for a
Theodore,
girl?
she's throwing the same question to you. She's telling you that you guys
don't
cannot
buy
afford
data
it.
No,
and
no,
few
no,
things
no,
for a
no,
girl.
no.
So
Wait,
wait,
wait.
See,
First of all,
I mentioned something.
Wait.
I
If
mentioned
you cannot do
something.
it,
No.
it's a man that will
See.
always
he's
do
a
it
man
for a
that
girl.
will do it 100%.
And now where the problem
No,
they
that's
come.
not saying So that's why. That's
Now
why.
where the
no, that's
problem they
why-
come
that's
from
what
now.
I'm saying you.
Because
That's what
now
Osas
one they
is
always
saying.
make
I'm
sense.
not forcing you guys.
Now one they make them be like say now always the man go dey do everything.
No, but if you cannot
for
afford her, move along.
man. No. In this age
Which one
and
can
time,
you
no.
Baby girls
In
life,
this age and
move
time,
along.
no, you
if
can't
you
say me
cannot,
that.
no. If you can't, see, no, don't call anybody. Don't call anybody a gold digger just because.
Yes.
Just because.
You cannot
It's not-
wait.
it's not a gold digger.
Don't call. No,
It's a gold digger.
No,
everybody
you can't.
He's a
No,
gold
you
digger.
can't.
Everybody wants a brighter future. Everybody wants to live good.
Exactly. You
So
want to
because
live
I'm
good.
poor, I will not be dating a poor guy.
You
How
get
now?
why?
Negative and negative cannot
are you a
work.
broke girl?
Positive and negative
Are you a
cannot
broke
work.
girl?
Stop all this
Osas.
shit.
Allow the guy
Okay.
use
I
his
cannot
mind
be
do
a
wetin
broke
he
girl.
wan do.
Okay.
Osas.
No dey make am
Okay.
be
But
say
you
na
guys,
the
you guys are
necessity.
not understanding the
Negative
point.
Okay,
and
okay,
negative
guys,
cannot
guys.
work.
You guys are not
Guys.
understanding the
Listen.
point.
Who is not understanding
You
which
guys
point?
wait.
Which point are
Okay,
you trying
fine.
to make
Okay,
that we don't
Charlton,
understand?
go
If I was
ahead.
broke, I
Hit
would
us.
never
Hit
date
us.
a broke guy. If I
Me
was
too.
very
Me
broke,
too. If I was
never.
broke, I would not
Osas.
date a broke guy.
Oh, you
Why
cannot.
will you give
Hold
but-
on now. Hold on now.
You
But
say
we
you're
now, the
broke,
guys
don't
were saying
date
we-
me. If you're a
Ah,
broke
we
guy,
don't
don't
date
date
me.
broke,
If
I
you
no go
think
date
if you
you
think
now.
that I'm broke, don't date
Don't
me.
date me. Leave me alone.
Move your ass somewhere.
One
else.
level.
Move your ass
Now we
somewhere
go
else.
away.
Don't
Make
waste
we
my
see
time
if
because
they
there are men
okay.
that will do it.
Let me
I will
tell
not
you.
blink, and they will not even blink.
Women,
Simple
na get
and
una
short.
own issues when it comes to men.
My brother.
Both financially, psychologically,
I don't hear this for
whether
this.
that mentally or practically.
I know few I go here in the
You
next
get-
10 years.
Wetin person you never see when you come to you and talk.
No, aside from even the money part, have you been in a relationship with a broke guy?
It's toxic.
They will stress
Anything
you out.
you do,
I'm telling you, because I don't have money, everything is emotional. You cannot.
No, do you think they
cannot-
always do that?
Please,
Do you
what?
think so? That
What?
guys always stress
No,
that?
no,
No,
bro.
the-
When
wait,
someone,
wait, what?
when someone is talking from a point of experience, you give them the courtesy.
Thank you.
She don't date broke
Please.
guys
I
for all
have.
her life. She has
No,
been
no,
dating
no,
broke guys.
that's a lie.
She knows the
That's
she
a
knows this
bloody
thing.
lie. No,
Abi?
that's a
Okay,
bloody
she has been
hey.
dating broke guys.
Don't argue with her.
Shouting. That's shouting.
You don't argue with people like that. She
Shouting.
takes it outside.
Shouting.
So let's get rid of
Shouting.
people now
Wait.
that are calling me.
Shouting. Shouting.
Are you
You
calling a
lie.
broke guy? No.
No.
What you say?
No,
Don't
Osas.
disquote
Me and you.
No, Osas.
After this podcast,
wait.
see,
Osas.
I don't want to see you in the car park.
And they tell you,
I'm parking this personal.
Why?
Because-
No,
I
but
never
wait.
called you a
Osas,
broke guy.
Osas,
I
wait, I heard
never.
you clearly. You
Thank
never
you.
called him a broke guy. First of all, for a guy to be telling me your nails, your hair, I mean, which kind of girl are you following? Because how am I asking you money for nails, hair?
Boy, it
Why?
happens now.
She like cheap.
Boy,
What
it
am I?
happens
A
now.
hair,
It happens.
nails.
See,
What am
If
I?
you
What
know
am I
them,
doing?
if you don't
Bro,
know, now
bro,
we be guys,
bro,
you know what you
bro.
do.
Obviously,
Bro,
these guys have been
bro,
with broke.
bro,
Well, I
bro.
asked Charlton. He
We
said
know,
that
you
he
say
was
yes,
with
you
broke
don't
guys.
ask me.
Wait, can
So
Yes.
you know.
I want to
you know
throw a
that
question
there's
out
something
there,
of experience.
guys. I want to throw.
A nails is stressful to
I
you.
want to throw a question out there.
Please, I beg.
I want to throw a question out
Throw
there. My question goes like this: a guy sends you 10K. The both of you. This is a direct question to you.
Please go ahead.
10,000 naira.
Yeah.
Is it good or not?
Okay, wait. First of all, before I answer this question, I have something to say.
Like
God.
Now, wait,
I
no,
hate-
wait,
I like to
no.
answer
Before I answer, wait,
It's a
allow
general
me.
question.
No,
Yes
allow me.
or no?
I
Allow
like
me.
to answer
Allow
yourself.
me. Allow me. I have something to say before I answer that question.
Okay.
First of all, that's why this is a topic, dating a broke guy. I mean, dating a broke girl. Now,
No, let's
if
say-
you're not broke as a girl, and a guy sends you 10K, that's another additional money to your money that you have. It shouldn't be a big deal. To me, it's not a big deal. If a guy
You
sends me
need to buy
10K,
data.
I'm telling you, it's an additional money. I'm
You
not
use 10K to
stressed
buy
about
data.
it. I'm not. If you send me
Yes.
10K, I'm not stressed about it.
I'll use 10K to
Exactly,
buy
it's
data.
my sub. I'll use it to sub.
No,
no,
but
I'm
why
not
they
stressed
come as
about
an
it.
additional money?
But
My
Where
fellow-
you go feel? That means you.
it's an
you are trying to
additional
say
money.
that-
It's not
No,
for him to
no,
give
no.
it's a
me.
free.
Okay.
Exactly. Okay.
It's a
I'm
free
fine
word.
with
You are
it.
trying to say that you actually appreciate the money.
Of
Of
We need to
course,
appreciate
because
it.
I have my own money. Like
Yes.
your own is just an addition.
So I
For
send
data.
10.
Yes,
For
you
data.
said of course I would
So
appreciate it for
you-
data. Of course.
No, for the you see Kai, see there, see their look. Oh God, camera and beg go.
For data.
Everybody they see the look.
For data.
For
Girl
data,
code.
exactly. For
Your
data.
I am
girl code
so
have casted.
flabbergasted.
Your
Please,
girls
no.
could have
No,
casted.
wait.
This
What is
combobulated.
happening?
I'm
Have you-
this
no,
What is
combobulated.
happening
The one they
with
cast.
our
You guys-
generation?
No, you guys wait. You guys wait. Have
Our
you
girls
guys, have
have
you
lost
gone
their
to
way.
wait now?
Have you-
Divine, bro,
Have
our
lost
girls
your
have
way.
lost their way.
no.
How
Are
can
you
we
not
make
listening?
a revival to our generation?
Stop
You
Our
guys are
girls
not
have lost their
listening.
way.
You guys are not
How can a girl? How can I send 10K to a girl again say she buy data? Huh?
So
Hey,
you know you can do better.
Wait. Wait, you
Thank
asked
you,
me
people. Thank you, people. They start business. Lucrative business with 10K.
You lie.
They get mine. They
You
talk
lie.
say
Eh?
na
You
additional
lie.
business.
How much is a bag of water?
You lie.
How much is a bag of water?
Okay, so I should go and be hawking
Buy
water.
one cup
No.
of water.
Answer
Who
the
say
question.
market?
Do you know
Tell
how
me if you
much
not say a bag of water
Oh
that
my
day.
God.
Ask her. Do you
No,
know
I should
how much
no,
a bag of
wait.
water is?
First of all, the fact that I can afford my lifestyle. If you're a man coming into my life, you have to be able to keep up with that.
I want to go to a
but
level.
no, it's the
Just
truth.
I want to move up to that level now.
No, but no, it's the truth.
Very
Now,
good.
I'm not
That
going
means
to.
you
I'm
don't
not going.
appreciate that 10K.
Very good.
No, I never said I will not
Theo-
appreciate it. Of course, I will appreciate it now. Why would I not appreciate it?
Oh, please,
I want to come to a level now, eh?
Thank
See,
you.
we are Don't talk about it. There are levels to being a broke girl.
Yes, there are levels to this thing.
And maybe both of us now, we dey look at the extreme broke girl when no fit afford basic needs. Because there are
Yes.
actually some broke girls that can afford their basic needs. Now let's go up to their own
Please.
level now. For the
Hit
broke
me.
girls where they form posh, which living fake lives. Now, if you can comfortably work for a month to earn 100,000 naira, and I'm not saying sharp work or free money, because now what una they get most of the time, where they make una they feel like say una don't arrive. You understand me?
No,
If you-
don't downplay
Hey,
some of us.
hey,
Some of us actually
hey,
work hard for
hey.
our money.
I am not
We
attacking
do.
anybody.
We do.
Let him
do.
finish. Leave
You
him.
hear me? Eh?
Let him
I'm talking
finish.
about broke girls.
Okay,
You
thank
cannot
you.
work hard for your money and you be a broke girl.
Of course.
Very good, because I have friends like
No,
that.
but there are times that you can actually be broke. It's not like you're a broke girl. There are times that you are not, that you can, you
At
would
that
not have
moment.
money. At that moment, you don't have money. It doesn't mean that you're a
Do you know,
broke girl.
do you know what I don't understand from everything
But
you guys
that's
are
the
talking
general
about?
thing now. It's
You
a general
girls
thing.
like to deceive yourself. Let me
What
tell
do you
you,
mean deceive yourself?
like it or not, if you like, drive a Range Rover today, live in a duplex. As long as you act broke to a man, you are a broke girl.
Okay,
Exactly.
so you were heading, no, you were heading
It's
somewhere.
simple.
You were saying something. You were heading somewhere. So we're waiting for you to finish.
So what I'm saying now,
Yes.
on your level now, there are so many girls that think it's a privilege for guys to do things for them. You get me? They take guys doing things for them as a necessity. Like, come on, bro, I'm a fine girl. Like, you're supposed to do things for me. Like, that's what fine girls are for. You being a fine girl means you have to take care of me. You have to do certain things for me as a guy you're dating. And now, over the course of our podcast, we've spoken about relationships a lot. We've spoken about commitment. Spoken about so many things. Now, if you want to conjoin all these things together, they are actually related in a way, because
Yeah.
a girl that's saying she can't date a broke guy, or she's not broke and she needs a guy to afford or to afford her lifestyle, yeah, you are thinking you are greedy. You don't want to spend your own money, but what is the money doing in your account? You are not using the money to start a business. You are not using the money for something lucrative. But here you are, always looking for the next guy that will ask you out, that will foot these bills for you.
Should I say something?
Please, Osas.
Culture-wise, religion-wise,
Yeah. A man is supposed to take care of your family.
nature.
Now, that's always your point.
Nature.
That's always for your
Nature.
point.
I mean, we're
Nature.
Africans. Let's not
Nature.
forget that we're Africans.
Nature.
Nigerian to be precise.
Nature.
A man, we are taught that a man is supposed to
Take
provide
care of
for
us.
us, take care of us.
Yes.
Because
Was
say
that how your
Nigeria-
mother? Was that how your parents used to do?
Yes.
Yes,
My dad took care of my mom.
No, I'm talking about dating
about
stage.
that.
Do you know? Do
No,
you
let's
know?
not-
Do
they
you
don't
guys
do
know?
that. They were not even
They don't
dating.
date.
But
You
when
guys
you
know.
when I was wise enough,
don't date.
all through their marriage, my dad took care.
They don't
Very
date.
good
Marriage.
You guys
care
What
of
do
my.
you say?
No.
Marriage.
That's what I'm saying.
Marriage is the difference between dating a broke
See.
girl. Dating is someone that you
See.
are not sure where
Wait.
it's heading to.
Do
You're
you
just
realize
dating
that-
someone, and the person is bringing you down financially.
But
All in the name of relationship.
it's you guys
That's
that will
it.
decide if you have to
For
marry
guys,
me or
eh?
not.
Thank you.
For
God
guys,
No, which
bless
one be
you.
married?
It's
Which
your
one be
man
married?
will decide.
Where
India.
we go use how many
Exactly.
years?
Marries a
You know,
man.
see,
Go use how many years they go into
This is my
relationship
own-
with
this is my
person?
own point.
Where she go use that
Wait,
years?
this
Where
is my
she
own
not
point.
supposed
Some
marry,
men-
come empty your account, empty
Hey.
your pocket, empty everything.
Hey.
If get you empty your account, you say if you broke.
Hey!
Empty your account.
Exactly.
So you dey laugh like saying exactly.
If get empty your account, you don't
That
have
lie,
Yes,
that
go
lie,
on,
no
100%
support.
support
That
you.
lie, she just want to
No,
say that because
no.
people that lie,
I
they
100.
think they
Osas,
show.
100%.
If a girl can empty your account, you're broke too.
How much are they asking?
How much is money?
How much is money?
How much is
I
money?
will now empty your account.
Hey, God.
According to Charlton, money for nails. Wait, money for nails, money for hair, money for lashes. Is that what we empty your account?
Thank you.
That
That means you're broke like me.
We are broke. We are both broke.
Okay, now, which kind of instance do I want to know?
A billionaire will not.
Never.
Billionaire will upgrade.
Never.
Nah.
Don't stress me.
How much is this? He will give you.
I blame the Western culture.
These
Girls have lost their way.
Charlton, don't start, please. Charlton.
How can
You
you
still men. You still men have lost your way.
Don't start.
You know what?
You men have lost your way.
Which
Abomination.
Don't call Igbo man. Call Igbo men. They are even the best. They even better than women.
When it is arrows,
That
when
way
you
women
cannot provide
inside.
for your woman, when you cannot provide for your woman, that is when it is
No,
arrows.
when you can't
That is when
provide.
it's abomination.
See.
It is.
God.
Culture-wise, you're supposed
What
to
are you
take
guys
care of us.
saying? People should stop, please.
Our own of they just they born, they live our life.
Like, enjoy.
Baby girl.
I have no problem
Baby
taking
girl
care
lifestyle.
of my girl or taking care of my wife. My problem is dating a girl that has not contributed to me making a dime, but yet you are always the one that wants this, that wants that, that wants this.
Then you move.
And because of that same mindset where them mad they
You
get.
guys, you are
But you move. It's
you
not
are
like us now.
shouting. You are shouting.
Yes,
You are
because
shouting.
it talks is normal.
See,
Logical
no,
Later
man,
on, if
shouting
they
the one.
look you, if what you're
Move,
saying,
my nigga, move.
see, I understand what you're saying.
Charlton,
Yeah?
can I
There are
say
so many
something?
men out there. Don't distract me.
No.
There are so many men out there.
Charlton.
One by one.
Okay.
I'm attacking one first. There are so many men.
Okay,
There are so many men. There
No,
are so
leave
many
am, leave
men
am.
out there,
You
yeah,
don't fit.
that can cater for your needs.
Of course,
You get me?
100%.
Regardless
That's
of
your
how
responsibility.
broke of a
That's your
girl.
You
responsibility.
are
Listen to me
exactly,
now. Oh, now don't get
exactly.
now.
Yeah, they talk. Oh yeah.
Men they. Men they.
A lot.
Yeah, plenty.
Yes.
This night you can go out, you meet man that will dash you 1 million.
Yes.
Men they.
Yes.
Where the women where they?
Yeah, they.
No, but
Thank
wait.
you.
No.
Thank you.
This Abuja we have.
What we're not doing?
Where the
what we're not
women?
doing? Wait,
Where
when
they?
we're not doing sugar mommy and
Yeah.
sugar baby. Why am I dashing you money?
Thank you.
Baby.
Why you
How
gonna
many
make
men
her
will
like
not
that?
give you free money
Why am I
now?
dashing you? Why am I dashing you
But
money?
I know say
It's
things
the
don't
it's
change
general
this age and
concept.
time.
People
And I
should
been
stop,
talking
please.
earlier,
No.
say things don't
See,
change.
I feel like
Even for this, for Nigeria, for this Abuja, we get girls where if they say, please, let's hang out, let's go to somewhere, at least go and do lunch or dinner.
I'm happy for you.
Go out, yeah? No, you I say we. Okay, you go out, but you go reach that point where when you reach time to pay bills,
They'll pay.
either they pay
I'm
or
happy
they
for
even
you.
highest worst case scenario say they even split.
I'm
split
happy
am with
for you.
And I know
No,
plenty
that's
of
what I'm
them.
saying. Like, I'm happy. I'm
Now,
happy
it's a
for
toxic
you.
that point.
Before you go far, I for like make you do small introduction to those girls who they share bills.
I know, Theodore.
Because
No,
they
I
are
wouldn't.
scars, bro. You don't see them, bro.
No, I wouldn't.
Theodore,
You don't see
I'm
that,
happy
dog.
But
for
see,
you.
you make it be like
You know,
say,
on this
make it
one
look
that you're
like
talking
anything.
about, I'm happy for you. That you
But
find
at
someone
the
that
end
can do
of
that
the
for you.
day,
I'm happy for you.
People, I know
Wait,
plenty
Guy, you have
girls
to be
that
worth
can
it.
do
You have
that.
to be worth it
You
for a
have
woman
to
to
you
give-
have to
be able
work
to
for
remove her
it,
money.
baby.
Life is
Same
very
way
simple.
a girl has
It's
to be
very
worthy to
simple.
eat my one dime.
No, see what she talk say. You have to
I'm
be
not
You must be
worthy.
worth it.
No,
wait,
yeah,
are you-
yeah,
are you-
one thing,
are you-
I
are you
beg.
guys-
I need
are you-
to
are
say
you guys
one thing. I need to
understanding
say
that?
one
Wait,
thing.
wait,
I
wait.
need to say
Theodore,
one
wait.
thing.
Are you guys understanding that we're not arguing with you?
Yes.
We are not.
not.
You guys
You
are.
people
we
are.
no.
You people
No,
are.
you guys
You
realize
girls
we're
are.
not arguing
Ladies
with
are
you.
the
are.
funniest human being I've ever met in
You
my
don't
life.
go want to
How
say
can
that
you
I argue, they argue.
categorically look at me and argue with me and you are telling me
You are saying that
know,
a man
I'm
is
not arguing
supposed
with
to
you.
be
No.
the
What
one
are
that
you
will do all those things, and that's not an argument.
Theodore, how were you? How
It's
were
your
you?
duty
How
to
was your
provide for us. I'm
upbringing?
broke,
No.
I'm not
We
broke.
I
don't
want to
talk
understand.
am.
do that.
I want to
Arguments.
understand.
But
Were you
arguments.
were you taught in your wait, Charlton? Were you taught to actually share bills with a woman when you were growing, like as a man
I was taught
in
to pay.
Nigeria?
I was
Please,
taught to
no,
pay.
Taught to
please.
pay, right?
No,
I was
you were
taught
taught
to
to
pay.
pay. Thank you.
But-
So why
but-
are we even having this conversation in the first
So when
place?
women start becoming
Oh,
feminine,
that's what I was
No,
saying.
where I thought they were even driving to is as a girl, if you are broke, like if you cannot yourself, if you cannot
You're not supposed
afford
to
the-
demand for
wait,
things you're not
exactly.
supposed to
No,
afford- you
that's
can't
where I
afford
thought
now.
they were heading to, but you trying to make it look like
No,
you don't know
now,
that
we dey try land reach that level.
No, that's
okay.
And now
Okay,
we
okay, no.
we dey actually
No,
try
Osas,
reach that
Osas,
level.
okay, you people should land.
No, not be
Okay,
not
land.
be anything. We actually been dey try reach that
Because
level.
me, anything I will ask
Yes.
I know
You
that I
supposed
can
to
afford
do
it.
am.
If
See.
I'm going on a date with a guy and I know that I don't have
I don't
money,
have
I do
money, I
not
don't
go.
go.
I don't
Hey.
go. That's like I don't go. And if I go, even if I have money, I will check your menu.
Mona,
No,
if this thing
no,
happens,
I don't just
I am
understand what they are
100%.
doing now.
If you
If
check
you
it,
ever no,
I
but
don't
if you
just
no,
understand
I am
what
telling
they
you
are
for
doing
a fact. I am telling you for a fact. It's not like go and verify.
yeah.
Go and verify. What I'm saying is for a fact.
I want to verify.
If I am going,
Abeg,
if I'm
give
going
us-
on a date
give us 5%,
and I don't have money, I don't go.
Book
I have
us
to
all
be
of
able
them
to
one
pay.
by
I have
one.
to be able to pay my boat
What I
fare.
can afford.
What? First of all, transport
Okay.
myself to wherever
Okay,
it is that we're
how
going on that
do you
date. Then pay.
expect-
Wait. So that we have mad people. People are
Crazy.
mad. We cannot deny that
Okay,
people are
see.
not. People are mad. A
Here.
guy can just get angry
I
with
want
you
to-
over
I
something
want
that
to
you said
talk
and
point
leave you
today.
in that
No,
date
make I talk
on
this
your
one.
date with
Make I
yourself
talk
by
this
yourself.
one. No, make
Imagine
I talk
people,
this
both
point.
of them arguing and Theodore telling you that a girl will actually want to spill the bill. Like why? I mean, and you allow it.
yes.
That's
It
why
happens, yes.
Not gentleman
If
wife.
no, not like
That's
gentleman wife.
not
Wait,
gentleman
is it
like.
not gentle of a
not
man
like.
saying,
I want to be a
No.
bad boy.
Gentleman
wait,
like.
It's not
listen,
gentleman
listen,
like,
no
it's
need
not.
to get the
It's
back.
not.
But you know there are
Theo-
some kind
hold
of
on.
situation-
It's
Theo,
not.
hold on, yeah?
It's not.
Yo, hold on.
let's be
I
realistic,
have
please.
I have
don't like
no
it,
longer replied any of these girls. I
Whatever.
have a
Whatever.
message.
Whatever.
I have a
Whatever.
message to my
Whatever.
kings out there.
You're not
listening.
a king, go.
See,
My kings
see,
out there
they are
listening
waiting.
and watching.
You're not a king, go.
This is
have
for you.
responsibilities, eh?
Queen,
I am not
kings that
against
cannot provide
you.
for the king.
Queen.
You don't want king.
Queen, you don't
Is that what
give
king?
queen money.
Kings.
You cannot give queen money. You're
Kings.
not
You
a
cannot
king,
provide for
go.
your king.
Kings.
For your
You're
king,
a
you're saying,
servant.
yeah, I'm
Kings.
telling you,
How
you're
dare
a
you?
pauper.
Kings.
How dare you?
Servant.
My
You are
How
a
kings.
dare you?
pauper.
Servant.
My advice to you guys out there.
How
yeah?
dare you?
What's your what?
I'm not against you taking care of your girl. If your girl is the right one and you know she's the right person, my man, go all out. You understand? You know the level now, Maldives now. You understand? You know the vibe. Put them on cruise. But you see those omowebe, how they call it? Those
Wobe,
mad
wobe,
girls.
wobe.
Those hungry cows. They are looking for every single opportunity to
See.
perch. Yeah? Avoid them.
You're not
Because you see
against
those
TikTok.
ladies,
Look at
yeah?
It's
talk
those
some-
girls
They
that
will
you
drain
Wait,
your
wait,
energy.
wait.
You get you
Drain
you
your
will be with a
account
man.
and
You will
drain
be with
your
a man and
soul.
not ask him for
No,
a
here
dime.
now.
Stay
You will
away.
say you're stupid.
Ose, hear
Stay
this one
away.
first.
You know, he will think that you are a mad person.
Yes,
you don't know what you're
no,
doing.
Wait,
You don't know what
You don't know what you're
no,
doing
no.
because
Eh,
no,
eh.
there are
Why
men.
you go
There are men
beat this
actually
thing?
Take advantage.
that will take advantage of. Like they know that okay, this girl is not one of those. See.
Don't
Let's not pretend like we don't know when
'Cause-
a girl is a good girl
Yes.
and she doesn't ask.
Yes.
She doesn't ask for all that thing, and some of them will just deliberately
advantage.
Deliberately relax and be like, you know what, I'm not, well, she doesn't even ask for anything, so there's no point. But she needs a lot of things.
But if that's what
She
if
does
that's-
need
if
she
that's
does
your
need
angle,
a lot
if
of
that's
things.
your
I'm
angle,
telling
yeah?
you.
Okay, now,
If
ba.
that's your angle, yeah, I understand perfectly.
Thank
because
you.
There are
At least we're
men,
on the same
there are
page,
men that
finally.
do those things.
Yes.
But me, I'm standing on the point that there are some broke girls out there. Kings, always watch out for those broke girls.
You know them.
Don't
You know-
spend
what
you
a
know,
them.
dime
Yes, I want to
on
give you guys
these
one
broke
instance,
girls. Please.
See,
But then
Save it
At
for
the
the
same
right
time-
person.
No,
but at the
because
same
when you
time-
spend on the right person,
No.
I bet you on anything in this world,
we no go
you are going to
regret
get
am.
every single
Wait.
dime you spend on that right person times 3, even times 10. Always look for the right person because there are so
See,
many
see
girls
now,
out there
eh,
on the
you get
street.
what she mentioned earlier, and I still learn to this way talk. Say look for the right person. How you want take no? Say this person they correct. If no, be you say you try do one or
do
two
you even
things
know
with
that
her.
some guys, like when they're asking you out,
Not
like the first thing they put, the thing they put in front is like money. I'm going to take care
Yes.
of you.
Yeah.
They send you
Doesn't
gifts and all that.
necessarily have to do
And now
so.
wait.
Some
You
people
know,
use money to
I'm
get your
trying
attention.
exactly.
And
Me,
it-
I'm
nice,
trying.
let me know.
I'm trying so much. I'm trying so much not to even deviate
wait,
from
Your
the
love
conversation that we're
language.
having.
I know.
Yes,
Exactly.
what's your
Say you
love
want-
language?
Me?
Yes,
I
what's
don't
your
get
love
it.
language? Make sure answer. What is your love
You
language?
use money to get
Okay,
a girl like you
you
know
know
what?
what, let me tell you my love language. Everybody know the way they want to be loved because there are still girls out there that even though you don't spend money on them, they are in love with you. They're
Yes.
Obviously, that's why I'm asking you.
Exactly. My love
answer.
language is not important right now.
It is.
It's not your business.
It's not your business. That my love language
Upset
right
the
now is not
body.
important.
Unsaid
It's
the
not-
body.
it's nobody's
It's
business.
not important right now. Right? That's not what we're talking about. But I can afford a certain lifestyle.
Yes,
Do you
for
get me?
myself.
For myself.
Without a man.
So without a man, I can take care of myself. In fact, my family is there to back me up, to take care of
My
me.
mom.
So
See,
I
I love you, Mama.
I literally don't need anything from you.
Yes.
But then you're not going
see-
to come into
you
my
see
life
one
and
thing
relax like
about-
you're not
you
there.
see
Yeah,
one thing
wallahi.
about
That's why I have
us
a
that-
problem with.
possible.
If you send me 10K, if you have it, if you send
See.
me 10K, I appreciate your 10K. Your 10K
See,
will go a long way.
For
where you
data.
guys
For
get
data,
where you
exactly. Like
girls,
whatever I choose to do with your 10K is fine. But moreover, I
appreciated it.
appreciate.
Yes.
Thank you.
where
That's
you
what
guys-
matters.
where you ladies get to misunderstand all guys, it's one simple thing.
Tell
A
us. So.
guy can easily do anything for a lady, huh? But where the mess up they come in, now the part where the same thing with the talks and say the lady go want make am by force for that guy. Now we have even career ladies out there, like doing like
Yeah,
career lady.
9 to
But
5. They have a paying
they
job.
choose to, yes, they have that day job, that 9 to 5 kind of thing, and they choose that okay, anything that is going to happen between them and a man has to come from the man's side. You get. Now let me give you guys an instance. I know a lady I met quite some time, and what happened was that we're actually somewhere chilling, just a house get together. I don't call it. It wasn't a house party, but just a get together at the house that the people that owned the house, the family of the house, invited friends and families. So you came around and you guys came. We chilled well, like well. In fact, that night I was so happy that I said, in fact, let's go to club.
Aww.
Yes, I chose to declare. Now so we go club, bro.
Pado.
I tell you. Now so we go club that night, oh. Chill well again, no. Better chilling. Then after everything we happen for there, you wait there around, say there around and everything with your friend. When I won't come they go, say you order a ride. Okay, now even me use my phone order the motor ride for una. There as na come reach, come talk say I don't pay the guy.
What?
Now the thing, what she didn't know was that it was actually a car trip.
Okay.
You didn't have to ask. It's not as if I will not do it too. But
The
this
fact
thing,
that you asked.
we guys and we men, we have our own way of reasoning, and there are certain things you ladies do that forces us to reason this kind of thing.
Oh.
Whether you have that money or
May
not.
God in heaven bless you, my brother.
You get, even if you have that money or not, there are certain things you do. Now it's not even about that first impression that she gave, but any other time that I'll say, okay, come let's hang out, come let's have no. You always say, hope I'm paying your ride, oh, hope I'm paying your tea fare, hope I'm paying your tea fare. Now career person be this so. See,
Theodore.
you don't necessarily need to make it a necessity for the guy.
So wait.
To be
I
in
want
charge.
to ask a very sincere question.
Okay.
From don't take it the wrong way, both of you. But my
Okay.
question
I
is,
know.
no, what if she doesn't have and she cannot actually tell you that I don't have this money?
So what
and,
if the
and
guy
then like
doesn't have?
you don't know if there was any time such a thing happened where she was stranded and she couldn't like pay the guy, and
What
the guy
if the
that
guy
she went to go and
doesn't
visit
have?
did not pay.
I'm asking you
Do you get what
back
I'm
now.
saying? I'm not the type that
What
will ask
if
you,
the
are you
guy
going to
actually
pay my
did
bill
not have?
fare? Because I will take care of my both.
Do you know
fare.
people find
I will,
it hard
like I
to
said
believe,
earlier.
most times or sometimes, do you know some people get to find it hard to believe that, okay, when you tell them you don't have, okay, please can you buy me lunch? Not even you taking them out, to, but please can you buy me lunch? And now say, okay, I no get to.
You as a guy, why are you inviting a girl out when you don't
Not
have
inviting,
money
I'm saying that the girl actually asked, and now say he no day oh.
Why you
So
not
wetin
considering
make you-
other?
do
Why you not? Okay,
so
what if she
they
doesn't
actually
have
find it hard to
herself?
believe?
If
No,
you don't
she
have,
doesn't have, no
if you
problem.
don't have,
But just
what makes
because
you
I
think
don't
that she
have
has?
doesn't mean you should make me go and be putting debt in my head or go and be borrowing money
How?
for
At the
something.
end of the day, both
You
of you
invited-
are broke. Stay away from each other.
Exactly, both of you are
Hey,
broke.
talk. Now you dey talk
Stay away
like
from
that,
each
but
other.
why be
A
saying
broke
some
girl
people
should not
no
be
dey want
dating a
dey
broke
believe that
guy.
thing?
Yes.
Period. Let's just leave it.
That what?
A broke girl should not be dating a broke.
No, everybody can live his life. I don't know people in the trenches
Me, I have one
that
question.
we even
I have
married.
one- I have one-
Cut your coat according to your size.
Which
Simple.
kind of size?
That's what I'm saying. Like, cut your coat according to your size. Don't go and be dating a girl that has a car that you
But
buy
the
fuel,
responsibility
and you know
of
that
a
you're
man
telling her to
is
come and see
bigger than that of
you. You're
a
not going to
woman,
send her
abi?
money for fuel.
But can I,
Do you get what I'm saying?
Can I-
Yeah.
You are inviting
Can I
a
tell
girl
you
to
guys
come
something?
over. Wait, hold on, please. You're inviting a girl to come over. You do not have transport money for her.
We
No,
did not
you
talk
are saying
that
you
one.
don't have money.
We did not
Why are you
talk
not
that
thinking
one.
that she doesn't as well?
Yes.
We
So
did
why are you
not
inviting
talk
a girl
that one.
over if you don't
You
have
have money.
money to give her as transportation to
We
and
did not
fro?
talk that one.
What
I
is-
beg
No, that's
you.
This guy is
exactly
broke.
no,
This guy is broke.
no,
This
that's
guy is
exactly
broke.
where I'm
Yes,
coming from.
we are broke. Okay,
If you are
you have to
broke,
take
leave
care of us.
relationship.
Yes.
As a girl, if you are broke, leave relationship.
Look for money,
if
my
a
sister.
guy, if a guy says he cannot take
Your
care
eye
of
will
you,
see
leave.
shege.
I'm telling you, your eyes will see shege. Well, lie, your mouth will not
Try
be
be
able to
say
explain.
she get
As a
sick,
guy,
John did it
if you are
too.
broke, leave relationship. I beg. Leave it for people that can afford relationship. And let's all not act like we don't know that girls like
can I ask
money
a question?
all
Let me
over
tell you guys
the world.
something.
Yes, they always
Let
pretend
me
like
tell
they
Let me
always
tell you.
Let's not
Let me tell you.
pretend.
Let me
We
tell
all-
you.
What?
that girls like money.
Let me tell you.
They
guys.
could don't know.
That girls like money.
Yes, there's no. You cannot point out a girl that will say, I don't like money. If you give money,
Eh,
I
eh,
will collect.
eh, eh.
You will
I've
not.
met a girl.
Theodore, you
I've
are
met, no,
weird.
wait first.
That girl, you
No,
two
I
got
don't
away
meet
from her.
everybody.
Theodore, you are
wait.
weird.
I don't meet girl. No, be say this thing. She talk say, she will never ask a man for money.
Doesn't mean that she doesn't
But
like money.
yes,
The fact that
she
she
said
likes
what
money
she
doesn't
likes
mean
is
she
that
doesn't
what
like
she
money.
likes is that she likes say she did now.
Now imagine that because she
just
said
see
she
credit
doesn't ask a
alert.
man for money,
not give
you
you
will
get?
not give, you will not
She
relax.
say she will never ask you, no problem. But she now be this kind of person way at all once or twice make she just see credit alert from you.
Yes, I'm
But
like
now-
that
I'm
too.
like that too.
But
Me
now-
too. Exactly. Don't expect me to. I will not ask you
I
for
will
money.
not.
I swear I
But
will
now,
not ask.
where we they even still get issue with this kind of talk, no be say it's a very nice thing, that yes, she's considerate enough, knowing that okay,
Yeah.
you might have, you might not have one, she should not pressure you. But now where the thing go come be problem, I say maybe I send you 5K or 10K, just see credit alert, then you from your own ends now.
You will
come
now
start
not be
doing-
appreciative of the money I send. Yeah,
Yes.
like we
That's
all
my
have a
problem.
problem.
See,
No, we all have a
see,
problem with that.
See, there's a statement you guys
We
made
all have
earlier.
even God himself
Can I say something?
have a problem with it if he does something for you and you're not appreciative of
Okay.
it.
Yes.
Okay.
See,
So
my point.
talk less of we humans.
Our topic was, can we date
A broke girl.
a broke girl? And I'm coming from a perspective that it's not cool to date a broke girl. Not on the basis that there are so many broke girls out there and girls need things from. No. As a man, we know what our roles are.
Yeah,
You understand
as an
me?
African man.
As an African man,
Yes.
there's no way you would want to approach a girl or you want to be with a girl that it will come across your
Can I-
mind that
so why
you
should-
have to know. Sorry,
There's
Yeah.
something-
that you
yes,
have
I
to take
just
care
thought
of
yes,
this
I
girl.
want to
Yeah.
add.
You get
Yeah.
me? But my argument over time has been for those guys trying that are not as privileged as some of us, you understand? And they actually need love in their life. They get to meet a lot of girls that are not even on the level they are. That these guys that are even broke are doing way better than these girls. But you see these girls being the ones that would even make life more worse for these guys. All I'm saying here is that, do not date a broke girl.
Can I say
Because
this?
if you
See,
ask
can I
any
lie?
broke girl
Can I
this
say something?
question,
See.
no broke girl would agree to date a broke
I
girl.
want to
True of
say,
course.
I just want to drop one.
So-
But there are still
difference.
guys that will never date a broke
100%,
girl.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And there's still guys that will
No,
never date a
but
broke
see,
girl.
but
If
you
yeah,
have
one
a car, you have a
difference,
business,
they
they will
always
never
date
Yes, they will
between
never
the
date
two.
you.
Make I
Yeah.
give una one quick
Yeah.
difference
True.
between the
That's why I
dating broke
said
girl and
cut
girl
your
with
coat
this thing.
according to your size.
Make I give that
You know
one
what works
quick
for you? If
difference.
you're that type of guy that you don't care,
This
See.
your coat according to your size, girls are of different sizes. You will meet a girl of
Can I
small
say-
stature,
See.
living a life that's bigger than hers.
How would you
How
know?
would you
See,
know?
How would you
she's
not
about-
know?
Come
See,
on.
How would you not
Make I
know?
talk one quick difference about girl we broke, with dating girl we broke and girl we broke. I tell you one thing about when you date girl we broke. See, dating girl we broke, she must loyal. That girl feel
No,
watch.
that's not true.
Wait first, she
I
feel
don't
even
agree
brush
with you.
your teeth for you if you talk.
I don't agree.
Yes,
with you.
most especially when they are looking for something, and that is still the dating thing.
I don't
That's
agree
it.
with you.
But now, that's that. Yeah, they will submit to you totally. A broke girl.
I
A
don't
broke
agree.
guy too.
Yes,
submit to you
a
totally.
broke girl.
Exactly.
A broke girl will see you with another woman, and she will not complain.
Hey,
You
wahala.
are not
Only
seeing
thing-
the
yes.
mad
Wahala.
broke girl.
No.
So just
all
because
the
she's
same,
broke,
nah,
she'll
only
collect,
listen.
she'll accept any.
She
But
go
can
accept.
but can I say
girl
this?
we get back. We never, because the most important
Most
thing
of
is that
all this
she's
is-
independent.
Oga,
she
at the end
can
of the
do
day, all
what
this
she
the way
wants
they
and
talk.
No.
Most guys go see they broke girls because they say that
You know
broke
what?
girl they can control.
Exactly. You know what I?
They can
you know,
only
you know
control
what
a
I
broke
think?
girl.
I just think
That's
that.
the point where they try and make
just
that
think that-
style.
Doctor, now
You go control the
una go
broke
see
girl.
data. Now no get choice.
This talk, go finish. It's like we're
The
going
thing
to,
is-
we're going to extend this topic
Honestly.
for next time, because
For
we
next
have
time.
so much to talk
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
But me, I want to drop one quick quote of the day before we leave. I
Wisdom.
think this should be my first quote for this season.
So.
And here's how it goes. Apple of your eye. If you get person, we chop on for back.
You sabi.
I beg. Please.
Thank you guys so much. I remain your favorite influencer, King Charlton.
So. Thank you so much, guys, for being on the show with us today. Thank you so much, guys, for being on the show with us today. Thank you for being on the show with us today.
Thank you.
I remain your... Thank you so much, guys, for being on the show with us today. Well, our own advice to you is do what works for you. If you like broke guys, date them. If you like broke girls,
Kings,
date
no
them.
listen.
Wisdom
No.
is
Kings,
profitable
Run
to
from broke
direct.
girls,
Whatever
so
works
hustle.
To
Whatever
direct.
works for
God.
you.
Hustle,
A
bro.
word is
Stop.
enough for
You
the
guys
wise.
stop.
Hustle.
You guys stop.
A word is enough for
You
the
guys
wise.
stop.
That's all we
Whatever
can say.
works for you, that's on you. It's
Even if
not
it doesn't
me.
work for you,
Well, thank you so
run
much.
away from broke girls.
Thank you so much for being on the show with us today. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. We really appreciate the love that we've been receiving so far. God bless you. Bye.